Soft drinks, beneficial and harmful effects. In this lesson, we are going to learn definition of soft drink, preparation process in short, main ingredients and their functions, harmful effects, and finally beneficial effects of soft drinks. So let's begin. The very first point is definition of soft drink. Soft drink is defined as the drink that usually contains carbonated water, sweetener, especially sugar, flavorings and colorings, is called soft drink. Here carbonated water means carbon dioxide is dissolved in water with high pressure. Now let's say preparation of soft drink in short. Preparation of soft drink. Here there are two steps. Step 1, syrup is taken into bottle. Syrup is a sweet liquid made by dissolving sugar into boiling water. Now, in the bottle, carbonated water is introduced. This is the simple way to produce soft drink. Now let's see the main ingredients of soft drink. Now the point is main ingredients of soft drink. The main ingredients are, first of all, sugar is taken 21 gram in 250 milliliter soft drink. Carbon dioxide 1.25 gram in 250 milliliter. Flavorings 0.75 gram in 250 milliliter. Then colorings 0.000175 gram in 250 milliliter. Acidulants 0.45 gram in 250 milliliter. Then sodium benzoate, sodium citrate, and water is used around 250 milliliter in 250 milliliter soft drink. Here acidulants are citric acid, phosphoric acid are used. Phosphoric acid prevents the growth of mold and bacteria. Phosphoric acid, sodium benzoate, sodium citrate act as preservative. Citric acid provides tart taste to the soft drink. That means acidic taste to the soft drink. So these are the main components of soft drink in 250 milliliter, where huge amounts of sugar, this is 21 gram, and almost 250 milliliter water is present in 250 milliliter soft drink. As 250 milliliter soft drink contains 21 gram sugar, now let's see the harmful effects of huge amounts of sugar in soft drink. Now the point is harmful effects of soft drink. Only 250 milliliter soft drink contains 21 gram sugar that is stored as fat in liver, and it turned into belly fat. So this is the harmful effect of sugar that helps to gain weight. Number 2, excess amount of sugar may cause insulin resistance. That is the main metabolic function. So huge amounts of sugar present in soft drink may harm us. Now let's see the beneficial effects of soft drink. Beneficial effects of soft drink. We know in soft drink carbon dioxide is dissolved with high pressure. That carbon dioxide reacting with water form carbonic acid. This carbonic acid helps in digestion and helps to reduce constipation. That means this helps in digestion and to remove constipation. Number 2, 250 milliliter soft drink contains almost 250 milliliter water. So it meets fluid requirement for our body. Number 3, while mealing, if we take soft drink, it enhances the swallowing ability. And number 4, sugar provides energy for our body. That is C12H22O11 undergoes oxidation and produces energy, carbon dioxide and water. So these are the benefits of soft drink. This is all about soft drink harmful and beneficial effects. No more today. Thank you very much.